When people live together, decisions need to be made on various issues that affect their livelihood and food security. Access to essential services like clean water, sanitation, roads, electricity, education, and healthcare matters to everyone. The way communities are managed differs from place to place. At times, decision making may be in the hands of a few powerful people only. As there are many social groups in a community, it is important that all have a say in how local problems are solved.
पहले जो निर्णय होते थे वो गांव के कुछ
Earlier, all decisions in the village were taken by a few influential individuals, those who owned more land or had more money. So, any village decisions were dictated by these powerful people, and the rest of the village had no choice but to accept them. Their conversations and decisions made it clear that women were not on their agenda.
बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं लगता था कि वो महिलाओं के बारे में भी कभी कुछ सोचेंगे.
In this video, we will learn how to establish and manage a village development committee or a VDC. Farmers in Rajasthan, India have set up hundreds of VDCs to ensure all villagers have a say on matters relating to their village. A VDC is an informal, voluntary group of people who want to help solve local development issues with the support of local authorities. To establish a VDC, you may want to seek the help of a local development organization, particularly for capacity building and initial handholding. Start by inviting all villagers to a large meeting. Explain to them what a VDC is and why it matters to put such a structure in place. Clarify that it is a voluntary activity that requires commitment. Let people decide who would be well suited to be member of the committee. Ideally, a committee has 12 to 16 members, half of which should be women. Often people are preferred who have good communication skills and who are willing to commit time and energy. As the committee needs to work smoothly with your local authorities, try to have at least one person from the local authorities as member. Influential people who have dominated local decision making may at first be opposed to the idea of a VDC, so it is important to bring them on board.
उस समय हमने निर्णय लिया कि गांव के जो
We made a conscious decision to also involve some influential people of the village in our committee so that messages would be taken seriously and people would listen to us. Sometimes, however, their inputs were self-serving. To avoid conflicts, we listened, and after hearing everyone out, we would decide. If their suggestions didn't serve the community's interest, we would gradually move away from their suggestion and proceed with what was best for the community.
In traditional societies, women and certain social groups are often deprived from taking part in decision making. In such cases, some outside facilitation will be helpful in the early years. You may want to start by inviting a few senior, respected women into the committee. By doing so, younger women will feel more at ease to join.
तो हम जो एक आधी दो महिलाएं थी उन्होंने हर गांव हर घर
So, one or two of us women went door to door in every village, telling other women that unless we come together, talk about our issues, our employment and our rights, and unless we raise our voices collectively, our development will not happen. Gradually, their confidence increased, and so did the trust of their families. women began to join because they understood that without organizing, they wouldn't be able to assert their rights, and without that, we would not be able to develop our communities.
तो हम हमारे क्षेत्र का विकास नहीं कर पाएंगे.
If already some women groups or associations are active in the village, their leaders may be interested to join the committee. To ensure women's voices are respected, it is necessary for all members to learn to listen to one another. Therefore, it is good to start with having weekly meetings. Later on, you can meet once a month.
धीरे धीरे हमने स्वयं ने ये महसूस किया कि उनकी समझ और महिलाओं की समस्याओं
Gradually,
के बारे में
we realized the value of their understanding and the way women supported us in addressing women's issues. It made us realize that without women's participation, development is incomplete. They address issues related to employment, health, education, and economic production. Through the VDC, these women framed their own groups and made significant contributions to development. We have supported and worked shoulder to shoulder with them.
Decide how long one can be a member and how frequently there will be a new election. For whatever reason, a member may decide to step down, after which a new member can be elected. Try to include youth in the VDC as they often have digital skills and can bring in new ideas to trigger economic growth.
हमारी जो ग्राम विकास समिति है ना, उसमें 50%
In our village development committee, 50% of the members are women and 50% are men. Those who don't want to work are replaced with new members. Women are replaced with women and men with men. We appoint new members to take their place, keeping in mind that they should be young, educated and sensible so they can be more active and handle responsibilities well. And if there's computer-related work, they should be able to handle that too. We choose new members with that consideration in mind.
Some elderly persons may have certain skill or expertise, such as on traditional farming practices or herbal medicine. If they are not interested to become members, you could invite them to join specific meetings as advisors. This will add credibility to any decisions taken by the committee. Building trust in the community is key to the success of a VDC.
वर्ष 2000 से वर्षा में बहुत कमी आई.
Since 2000, there has been a sharp decline in rainfall, which gradually caused a significant drop in the water table. In 2002, a severe drought resulted in the scarcity of fodder and drinking water. We decided to form development committees in every village and suggested that with the help of capable individuals, water sources like wells and troughs that still had water be identified.
The quality of development interventions matters. So seek the help of an outside organization whenever needed, especially for technical matters such as rainwater harvesting, ecological farming, food processing and marketing.
देख रही है नाला सूखा पड़ा था, इसको रोकवा के लिए भाई पानी इधर रुक जावे.
We identified a dry stream in our village and realized that constructing a check dam there would help recharge nearby wells and ensure water availability for livestock. We received technical and financial assistance from a local NGO. Villagers contributed labor and the local authority also extended support. This check dam was the result of a united community effort.
During every meeting, take proper notes of who attends, what was discussed, and the decisions taken. Keep the minutes in a notebook. If some matters cannot be resolved at the local level, the committee can write a letter signed by all members and submit this to high-level authorities. This has been the case, for instance, to avoid exploitation by middlemen.
तो हम सब ने मिलके ये निर्णय लिया कि ग्राम विकास समिति और संगठन जैसे पंचायत इन सब के साथ
We
मिलके
requested
हमने किसान
officials
सेवा समिति
from
को
our district
ज्ञापन दिया
all the
और
way
वहाँ
to
से हम
state
सबके
level
साथ मिलके
that
और
minimum
अधिकारियों को
prices
जिला
for
स्तर पे
crops
दिया,
be
पंचायत स्तर पे
declared
दिया,
in
तहसील
advance
स्तर पे दिया,
so
राज्य स्तर
that
पर भी
farmers
दिया
can
कि
receive
समय से
a
पूर्व
fair
हमारे
price
को
for their produce and
समर्थन मूल्य
benefit
का
from
जो
it.
काटा है वो समय पे लगाए जिससे हम किसान लोगों को उसका सही मूल्य मिल सके और हमारे को लाभ मिल सके.
Also, land rights need to be defended from the local to the national level. You can organize various VDCs into a federation to resolve agricultural issues that go beyond the village level.
अपने यहाँ आसपास जो गोचर भूमि है
People pointed out that nearby grazing lands have been encroached upon and destroyed by influential individuals. Some built houses, others converted it into farmland or livestock enclosures, destroying the area completely. We warned the Rajasthan government that under the law, these people can be restricted and penalized. Only after that, with public awareness and pressure, were the encroachments removed.
उस अतिक्रमण को वहाँ से मुक्त करवाया.
Agree with members on an annual membership fee to cover the costs of meetings and transport. For instance, when representatives need to visit local authorities, to pressure them to look into your case. Also, crucial issues such as rights to seed can be taken up. In India, as in many countries, large multinationals have tried to influence policy makers to allow the introduction of genetically modified or GM seed. VDCs and farmer federations can educate farmers about the dangers of GM seed, mobilize mass protests, and raise public awareness through mass media, as was done in India in 2011.
दरअसल राजस्थान सरकार ने एक बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपनी से एक समझौता किया.
The Rajasthan government entered into an agreement with a multinational company. The agreement was about genetically modified seeds and fertilizers. It was signed at night. All farmer organizations jointly formed a committee and staged a protest outside the state assembly. Letters were sent to all government officials. In the end, the government had to cancel the agreement with the multinational company. This was all the power of networking.
So, what have we learned? Careful selection of VDC members is crucial. Make sure to include women leaders and youth. Identify issues that are of great relevance to the community. Seek help of outside organizations or expertise for matters that require assistance, such as check dams, ecological farming, and marketing. Collaborate with different governance structures at local level. Network with other VDCs and organizations in order to address and solve issues that go beyond the village. By involving all layers of society in decision making and getting them organized in village development committees, everyone stands to benefit.